We watched Mr. Gogoi, harvest some or, collect some plants from the jungle just around his house. It was very interesting how he could spot them and, how he knew what kind of ailment each plant would help take care of.
आदमी का हो चाहे कोई जानवर जैसे बैल वगैरह हो गाय वगैरह जो है तो ये सबके लिए ही है ये हड्डी सबके लिए लगेगा सबके लिए ये सिर्फ आदमी के लिए नहीं है बाकी ये चीज़ आपको खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं ये आपको जंगल से मिलता है.
When he got old, he only passed it to him that this is the technique, please learn it and please help the people whoever will come and listen. And his Tao learned it from his father, his grandfather.
पैसा का कोई बात नहीं होता है तो आपको जो आप देना चाहते हो 20 रुपया हो या 50 रुपया हो तो उसी हिसाब से ऐसा कोई मेडिसिन का आपको पैसा नहीं लगता है तो आपको हड्डी टूटने से कि आपको इसको बांधना पड़ता है इसको लेके रख देना पहले इसको बांधना है उसके बाद पट्टी डाल के गमछा से बांधे हो या कोई पट्टी से बांधना है.
With my personal experience of fractures or bone cracks, etc., which I've had many, modern medicine or allopathic system, I've never tried anything else than that for these things. The cast, the POP paper, it does not impart any medicinal value into the body. It is just a structure to keep it in place. Whereas in this practices, some part of the plants that they use either for binding or as a paste seeps through the skin, seem to be doing something to the broken area or to the bone to help set better and quicker.
Apart from the bone setting, they're doing so many other things as well. Like, for example, they're healing people who have gastro issues or have lung issues, breathing problems, helping women post-pregnancy or post-delivery. So clearly there's a significant part of the village that does go to them. But what was interesting was how deep-rooted their knowledge of the wild greens and medicinal herbs that there are around them.